Greg, those aren't wampa prints. Whatever made these is even bigger.
Dave, this thing's walking on 2 legs. And judging by the size, we might be dealing with a Yeti.
That's no win, Greg. It's out here with us. Dave, that's not a hollow myth. That's a Yeti. Greg, don't move. I think it can smell us. Dave, if it leans any closer, we're toast. Greg, hold on to something. This thing is bigger than anything I have seen.
Dave, I didn't sign up for a snow sprint with a Yeti on my tail.
Dave, I think it lost us. I'm not taking any chances. Greg, it's right there. Move! Dave, I'm slipping. The snow is insane.
Greg, we're running out of options. Think fast.
Dave. Dave, hope this landing holds. Greg, this is it. We can't outrun it now. Dave, keep firing. Don't let it corner us. Greg, it's stronger than we thought. Keep moving. Dave, we're almost out. Don't stop now. Greg, next time, we stick to patrols that don't involve snowstorms or giant Yetis.